Hi everyone, Sandra here from the Schwoven's Nest. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. If you're already a current subscriber, I want to thank you for your support. Today, I'm really excited to participate in a wreath challenge for Christmas. This challenge is hosted by Kristi at Inspired Living with Kristi and Antoinette at Simple Yet Chic. I'm going to put their links in the description box below. Please go check out their channels. They have a lot of really great things that they're doing, and I think you'll get some inspiration from them too. Kristi and Antoinette have challenged us to create a wreath for Christmas. This is what I came up with. Hope you enjoy.
This is a wreath that I picked up at my local Dollarama. It was $3.50, but what I did to it was take it out to my garage and give it a really good couple of coats of white spray paint. And I'm just going to be doing a winter berry wreath. I wanted this to be really simple and really easy for anyone to do. These berries I also got at Dollarama, and I believe they were $2 a stem. And what I'm doing here is just cutting apart the different pieces of it because I want to fan these around the wreath. I'm going to be taking stems of 3 pieces each and fitting them inside the wreath itself. I'm going to just use hot glue and place them in and then just double check that they are firmly in place. I ended up using 2 full stems of the berries for this wreath. And now I'm just making sure that all the hot glue has set and these picks won't be falling out. In keeping with the red berry theme, I'm going to be using some of these red matte ornaments that I picked up at Dollar Tree. There's about 20 of them in a pack. I think I'm going to end up using about 8 of them. I don't want any of the gold hanger parts to show, so I'm just going to easily pull those off and just use the ornaments plain without the gold. Using hot glue, I'm going to put a good amount on the top part of the ornament, and then I'm going to be placing it into the greenery and just giving it a bit of a push so it can stick properly. I love the way this wreath is turning out, but I did find that around the ornaments there just needed to be a little bit more embellishment. So what I did was just take 1 stem of the berry garland and just added that to the ornaments all the way around the inside. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to click that bell to get notified when I upload new videos, and check out my Etsy shop where I sell a lot of the creations that I make. Thanks for watching.